Amazon just added two-way video calling feature to their Fire TV Cube. So if you have that, just know that you can use that for live streaming now. It's it's something that is a really cool feature. You can make two-way Alexa voice calls with this new feature. That's just the cool thing here. This particular launch is only available in Canada, France, Germany, Italy, Japan, Spain, UK, and United States. For now, it's it's a way for you to be able to talk to other people, and it's really cool. Now, the two-way video call, what you need is the Fire TV Cube, and you'll also need a compatible webcam that can work with it, so you can live stream and see the person at the end as well as the person seeing you. You also need a USB to micro USB adapter, pretty much because the Fire TV doesn't come with your USB-A port. It's really what you should be considering. It's really what you should be considering getting right now. The Fire TV pretty much has a cap that's resolution of 720p, but you can also get a 1080p. You can really get a 1080p webcam that will work, but don't get a 4K webcam because it will not work. It's not designed for that. So that is just the update right now. It's really cool. It's really cool. Like, you can talk to people now on your Fire TV Cube. So that's what you should know right now. Please follow us on our YouTube channel, subscribe, like our content. I'm going to see you guys next time.